Good morning. I'm going to show you how to set up your computer to take the ALPA 21 this morning. First, you want to find Control-Alt-Delete on your keyboard. If you need help with that, ask your teacher. Then you're going to click Task Manager. It's the last one on the menu that you see on your screen. Once you have Task Manager selected, most likely this menu will pop up for you. You just need to simply click More Details, and then scroll down to find like Notebook or it might say Notebook, Notepad, Smart Notebook, Smart Notepad, anything like that. So once you find Smart Notebook or Notepad, everything's alphabetical. It would be like right here. You're going to select it, and then you're going to end task. So you want to select anything that says Notebook, Notepad, Smart Notebook, Smart Notepad, or any smart notifications. So you select them. Here's the S section. So I would find the smart things and click End Task. Once I do that, I need to make sure my headset works. And so the first thing I'm going to do is check my cord on my headphones to be sure that the red light is off on the little Microsoft dial that has the volume on it. Make sure your red light is off. Otherwise, push the microphone that has the slash through it right there on your hardware. Then you want to right click on the volume manager. So down in the bottom right hand corner on your screen, right click and go to playback devices. You'll notice there are menus at the top here. We have to do playback and recording devices. So playback devices, right click your headset, go to properties, and then go to levels at the top menu here. Make sure your levels are all the way up. So this bar is all the way up, and then also make sure that the red isn't on here. You don't have like a little red sign here. When I click it off, I can't hear myself. So make sure that that is off. And then click OK for both of those. And then go to recording devices, right click, go to properties. Again, levels, make sure that this bar is all the way up to the top and the red is not selected. So it looks like that. Push OK. OK. And now you should be ready to start your test. Go ahead and select Air Secure Browser right there and log in.